If you're a GRC consultant or lawyer advising clients on compliance, you've probably noticed something a bit alarming. While businesses are adopting AI at breakneck speed, they're creating massive regulatory risks and security risks. Today, I want to show you how this crisis creates an unprecedented opportunity for you and your practice, and how TRAMS.ai can help you capitalize on it. Let's start with the numbers that should concern every compliance professional. 73% of businesses are now deploying AI systems, but only 23% have any kind of governance framework in place. That's not just a gap, it's a chasm. Your clients are essentially treating AI like a black box. They know what data goes in, they can see what decisions come out, but they really have zero understanding of what happens in between. This creates enormous risk for bias, privacy violations, and regulatory non-compliance. And there's an urgency that makes this a compelling event. The EU AI Act deadlines are not suggestions, they're regulatory requirements. AI literacy training became mandatory in February 2025. By August 2025, companies must demonstrate they're addressing AI risk and compliance for general-purpose AI models. High-risk AI systems have until August 2026. The financial stakes are staggering. We're talking about fines of up to €35 million or 7% of global annual revenue, whichever is higher. That's actually a bit more severe than GDPR penalties. For a billion-dollar company, we're potentially looking at €70 million in fines. But here's what creates the opportunity for your practice. Your clients don't just need compliance, they need education, strategy, and ongoing governance. They're coming to you asking, what do we need to do? And right now, most firms are struggling to provide the comprehensive answers because the solutions landscape is so fragmented. This brings us to why traditional approaches are failing your clients and why this creates an opportunity for differentiation. Most organizations are trying to manage AI compliance with what I call a patchwork approach. They'll use one tool for privacy assessments, another for bias detection, a third for security auditing, and maybe some manual documentation for regulatory compliance. It creates dangerous gaps, inefficiencies, and blind spots. The compliance burden is enormous. Your clients are spending hundreds of hours on manual audits, documentation, and risk assessments. Their internal teams don't have the expertise to understand AI-specific regulatory requirements, which means they're constantly coming back to you with questions. Meanwhile, regulations are evolving faster than internal processes can adapt. The EU Act guidelines are still being finalized. Standards like ISO 42001 are being updated, and national interpretations are varying across jurisdictions. Your clients are frustrated with the cost and complexity of managing multiple vendors, dealing with integration challenges, and maintaining ongoing compliance. They need a better way, and that's exactly what creates the opportunity for your practice to provide exceptional value. This is where TRAMS.ai transforms how you deliver services to your clients. Instead of managing multiple fragmented tools, TRAMS.ai provides an integrated platform that combines compliance evaluation, advanced data privacy protection, quantitative model auditing, and explainable AI in one unified system. Our compliance evaluation automatically aligns AI systems with regulations like the EU AI Act, ISO 42001 and GDPR. Instead of manual compliance checking, you get automated audits, risk-based testing, and continuous monitoring. Our data vaults technology use cutting-edge privacy-enhancing techniques like homomorphic encryption and synthetic data generation. Your clients can analyze sensitive data and train AI models without ever exposing the underlying information. Our privacy meter provides quantitative model risk assessment. It doesn't just assume AI models are safe, it proves it using state-of-the-art inference attacks to identify privacy risks and bias before they become problems. And our explainable AI capabilities make black box AI systems transparent and auditable. Every AI decision can be explained in human understandable terms. But here's the real value for your practice. The platform reduces manual compliance work by up to 80%, allowing you to serve more clients more effectively while positioning yourself as the expert who has access to cutting-edge solutions your competitors don't offer. This creates an unprecedented competitive advantage for forward-thinking law firms and consultancies. First, market leadership. While your competitors are still trying to work out basic AI compliance, you can be the go-to firm that actually has a comprehensive solution. You're not just advising on compliance, you're delivering it. Second, revenue expansion. This isn't about existing clients, it's about entirely new service lines. AI governance, privacy-enhancing technology implementation, model auditing services. These are high-value engagements that position you as a strategic partner, not just as an advisor. Third, client retention. When you become the firm that solves their AI compliance challenges, you become indispensable. You're not going to switch to a competitor that can't offer the same level of integration expertise. We provide complete implementation support, training your team, technical documentation, ongoing platform support, and marketing materials that position you as the AI compliance leader in your market. The August 2025 deadline is approaching fast. Firms that establish themselves as AI compliance leaders now will dominate this market for years to come. Those who wait will be competing for scraps, while others have already captured the high-value clients. I'd like to invite you to schedule a partnership discussion with our team. We'll show you exactly how TRAMS can transform your practice, review the partnership economics, and discuss how to position this with your existing clients. The future belongs to firms that can deliver comprehensive AI governance solutions. With TRAMS.ai, that future starts today.